Hey everybody, it's Eddie here, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to send and receive cryptocurrency safely between wallets. Whether it's you sending it to a friend or a friend sending it to you, or between your own wallets. If you are in the cryptocurrency space, this is something that you should know how to do. So I'm going to share everything that you need to know. If that sounds interesting, definitely stick around. First, I'm going to show you guys me sending cryptocurrency from one account to another, and then I'll kind of explain as I show. Right now, I am on my Coinbase account, and I want to send it over to my crypto.com account. On my Coinbase account, I'm going to click on the blue circle button with the arrows, and then it's going to say transfer. Once I click on that, it's going to give me options: send, receive, and deposit. I want to send Bitcoin from my Coinbase account to my crypto account, so I'm going to be clicking on send. Right now, I have about $23 worth of Bitcoin on my Coinbase account. I'm going to click on max, continue, and then there's going to be a section where you can add an address. Now I'm going to go on my crypto.com account. I'm going to click on transfer, deposit, because I want to put money into this account. So deposit, crypto, and then I'm going to specifically choose Bitcoin because I want to be receiving Bitcoin. And then there's going to be an address over here. Now this is a public wallet address, meaning that you can share it to everybody and anybody and no one can hack into your funds. It's sort of like your email address. So if you guys wanted to send me Bitcoin, you can scan this QR code and send me Bitcoin. At the same time, just because people know about this address doesn't mean that they can hack into your funds or steal your funds. I'm going to copy this address, and then I'm going to go over back to Coinbase, and I want to send it to, and I'm going to paste that address. Preview send, and then I'm gonna go ahead and send it now. All right, successfully sent and done. Now, when you send and receive cryptocurrency between wallets, you're gonna realize that the dollar amount is not gonna be the exact same as you sent it, right? So say I sent you $20 worth of Bitcoin, you might receive something like $19.50. It is either gonna be of two things: a network fee or the price fluctuation. So even though your brokerage account says that there's gonna be a $0 fee transferring cryptocurrency, you're gonna have to pay the miners. There's gonna be a network fee, a blockchain fee. And so don't be surprised when you don't receive the exact amount. The second is, by the time you sent over and received the cryptocurrency, the market could have dropped a few percentage, and then therefore you might have not received the exact amount. So anytime you want to send cryptocurrency to a friend, you're going to ask them, what is your Bitcoin wallet address? What is your Ethereum wallet address? What is your Chainlink wallet address? And vice versa. If someone asks you what's your Bitcoin wallet address, then you're gonna share that to them so that they can send Bitcoin over to you. Now, when we say the word crypto wallet address, it can be very hard to visualize. So I'm gonna kind of share an example that might help. So this is going to be your crypto wallet number one. You can own many wallets as you want. You can own a second wallet, you can own a third wallet. Now, we can also say account. So you can have one account, two account, three account, and within those accounts, you will have a address inside. Inside your wallet or your account, you're gonna have different addresses. So I'm gonna go pull this out. You're gonna have a Bitcoin address, you're going to have a Ethereum address, you're going to have a Cardano address, you might even have a Chainlink address, or you might even have a Polkadot address. And so every time you send or transfer or receive a cryptocurrency, you're gonna have a designated envelope, a designated address for just that specific cryptocurrency. So I can't say, hey, send me some Chainlink on my Bitcoin address. It won't allow you to do that. So if you own Cardano, you will have a Cardano wallet address for account number one, account number two, and account number three, and potentially account number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the example that I just showed you guys, I had a crypto account wallet number one, which was my Coinbase account, and I sent it over to my account number two. So if it's your first time ever sending cryptocurrency to a different wallet, I always encourage you guys to send a very small amount first to make sure that you're doing it correctly before you send a larger amount. And every cryptocurrency will have a different transaction speed. So if you're sending something over like Bitcoin, it might take anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes to receive it. If you're sending something over like Ethereum, it might be a lot quicker. And if you're sending something like Litecoin, Chainlink, or Cardano, or XRP, it's gonna be much quicker. So each cryptocurrency will have a different transaction speed, and they will also have a different network fee. At the time of making this video, we can see that Bitcoin is dropping, near the 41K level. Ethereum's at 3.2K. A lot of people are panicking right now. I could see it, I could feel it, but I'm okay. But if you are a Crypto.com user, I'm gonna show you guys how you can send and receive between other Crypto.com users in a much simpler way. First, you're gonna go to your homepage, you're gonna click on transfer, you're gonna see the word deposit and withdraw. Withdraw pretty much means send. So anytime you think about withdraw, think about send, send, send. Anytime you see the word deposit, think about receive, receive, receive. In this example, I'm gonna be sending crypto to somebody, so I'm gonna click on withdraw, crypto, I would choose external wallet if I want to send crypto back over to Coinbase or back over to a different exchange or a different brokerage account. But this is only for crypto.com users. So I'm going to click on crypto.com users. I use this feature a lot when I need to send crypto over to my sister or to my wife. For this example, I'm gonna send crypto over to my wife, and in order to put in a user, all you gotta do is put in their phone number. So all I did was put in my wife's phone number and my sister's phone number. I'm gonna click send, and then I can send over Bitcoin, then click on the dollar amount, max, which is $21.37. Add a note, you can add a note you want, hello, or gift, and did I just say help? I think I wrote help. And I'm gonna click on send. Sending over, $0 fee, confirm, and I have sent Bitcoin over to my wife. So this is one method you can send crypto to another crypto.com user without the wallet address or the string of numbers and letters. Now, if you have 10,000 CROs staked, then you do get a 10% cash back up to $5 when you send CRO tokens to another crypto.com user, which means that if I do this every single month, I will receive an additional $60 just for sending CRO tokens to another crypto.com user. I'm gonna click on transfer, withdraw, because I wanna send cryptocurrency over, click crypto, crypto.com user, wife moon, send, click crypto.com, 10% cash back. I'm gonna send over the max amount of CR tokens I have, click on send. There's gonna be a $0 fee, and the transaction speed is extremely quick. So the moment I press confirm, my wife is gonna receive it right away, just like a Venmo account. And honestly, the CRO network fee is one of the cheaper and fastest fee when you transfer between other crypto.com accounts from my personal experience. And I received 36 CRO tokens as a reward, which is equivalent to $5 because you can earn up to $5 max monthly. If it is your first time and you're new to transferring cryptocurrency, make sure you always do a small amount first. And then once you've received it, you can always send a larger amount afterwards. The more you get used to it, the less tests you have to make. But anytime you open up a brand new account, right? A brand new account, you have $0 balance on it. Always send a test amount first. Regardless if you're experienced or not, you want to make sure that you're sending it to the right address in the right way. Copying the address and pasting it is probably going to be one of the better methods to use rather than trying to type out every single number and letter. But it's also important to make sure that you look back and make sure that the address is matched before you click confirm. Sometimes it will give you a QR code method. That method is also very reliable. Personally for myself, that's the method that I like using. But transferring, sending, and receiving cryptocurrency should not be a scary process. It should be a process and a method that you should be very comfortable doing over time, because in the future, we're most likely going to be sending, receiving cryptocurrencies from other people, our friends and family. Lastly, if you own crypto on a Webull account or a Robinhood account, you cannot transfer cryptocurrency out of those accounts to a different wallet because you technically don't own your crypto. If you're buying into the crypto just because you want to make some profits on it and you want to sell it and trade it, then by all means keep it on the Webull account, Robinhood account. That is totally fine. But if you want to send, receive, and transfer cryptocurrency, then you'll have to sell it on those accounts like Webull and Robinhood and move it over to a different account where they do have wallet addresses. Well, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I know the crypto markets right now, it's going through an extreme correction. People are panicking. There's a huge sell-off. But always remember why you're investing into the space. Dollar cost average into the market. Don't panic. Do your research. Know why you're investing into the space. I think I already said that. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Over. Good night, good morning. Adios.